to show you how to play the chords for the song Bad Boy on acoustic guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. So for this song, you're going to be in standard tuning, but have your capo on the 1st fret. After listening to the song, I picked out 3 chords. First chord being A minor, open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. Second chord C, X, 3, 2, open, 1, open. Third chord D minor, X, open, open, 2, 3, 1. On the E string, 14 on the E string, 13 on the E string, and then 14 on the B string, and then slide back up to 16 on the B string.